Welcome back to Tuesday Test Videos. The one and only Star is here. Percy's here, but he's not necessary. We're gonna be getting items to get you out of a pickle. Pickle, pickle, pickle. So I'll welcome back the guest star because I'm the main star, of course.
Hi.
So today with this, we're gonna be playing a fun game to do it. It's gonna be very fun. So first, Percy, I'm gonna have you close your eyes. Turn, look.
No?
Like, stay right there.
Okay.
Okay.
Where am I? It's a flashlight.
What kind of
It's
flash?
a Nebo flashlight.
What's so cool about it?
I think it's a light and a lantern. It's rechargeable.
So now, I'm gonna tell them what it is. It's a Nebo Newton 500 lumens, 20 hours max runtime, waterproof, and 4 times zoom. Batteries included.
Not a lantern though.
Nope, he was wrong about
I was
that.
wrong.
Your turn.
You have to do very nice.
You're gonna give me an item.
Oh, I need to give you an item?
Don't give me this one.
No, that'd be obvious. Okay. What am I giving you?
It's kind of scary. Light bulbs.
No.
Super.
Super glue. That'll get you out of a pickle. You know, when you accidentally break your parents' stuff and you don't want them to not find out, so you glue it back together real quick. But you can't get away with it because you accidentally glue your fingers together and then you need to go to the hospital to have your fingers unglued because you made bad choices.
Can't say I haven't done that before.
So we did that one.
But they found out. Me and my sister didn't do it well enough. Let's tell the secret now. Okay.
Alright, so
go.
we're doing the next one?
Yep.
It's a lighter.
What kind?
It's one of them flexible headed lighters there. Wow. You can get it anywhere you want to go. How'd I do?
Burn-o-matic, flexible lighter, and yeah.
Yeah, nailed it. That'll get you out of a pickle. Yeah, this should be an easy one.
Oh, this is the green like small propane tanks for like a little grill when you're camping or something, and if you shake it up, it might blow up. It's not an actual blow up, I don't think. Yeah, there. You explain what it is.
Ta-da! Yep, it's a 1 pound propane cylinder. So if you have a portable stove, or this could be a source of heat, so it's good options. Nice to have. Coleman lantern may use this, propane powered one, so you get light. I do actually have the little tie-on mantles for Coleman lanterns too, come to think of it. So that'll help. These in combination will help you get out of a pickle. That's the emergency kit. It's got a lantern, it's got a solar panel, and a flashlight, and a headlamp even.
It's got a Air 1000 collapsible lantern, a Torchy 2K 2000 lumen flashlight, a Micro 400 headlamp and cap light, and solar charge 1000 mAh power bank. I just saw it too. Isn't it a wheel?
It's a wheel?
It's like a wheel that goes on a cart.
A wheel that goes on a cart?
Oh, a digital tire.
It's green, so you might see through part of us. Digital tire inflator. Ta-da! Plug it into your cigarette lighter, and you can blow up a tire, which would definitely get you out of a pickle.
Here you go. Oh, sorry, wrong thing. You only need one hand for this.
It's a battery charger.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Yes, what kind of brand?
I can't say the word probably.
Okay, go. So try.
It's like Schrader or Schneider or something like that.
It's Die Hard.
Oh, it's a Die Hard one, yeah. Let me plug it in.
It's a light lamp, isn't it?
It's a clamp lamp, yeah. See? Just your nose.
No!
Bam, bam. And now it's broken. Simple green. And it's green, so I don't know if it's the shade of green that you'll see through or not, but...
Oh, it is green.
Yeah, it's green. It smells like licorice.
Weird. I don't know what this is. Batteries! They are, what is that brand?
Duracell.
Duracell. Power Boost ingredients.
We have a whole variety of batteries, but yeah, these would definitely get you out of a pickle during a power outage. All right, scoot back over here so we can get this done.
Ooh, what is this? This is a knife, the true knife. Yeah. The Swift Edge 3.5 fast flip with G10 handle includes 1 Tanto, 2 drop points, 1 saw, and 1 blade case. Designed by Fort Worth, Texas. That's it.
It's rope.
Hey guys!
Holy moly.
I'm back. Had to take a break, of course. The one only Canadian needed a break, but thank you guys for coming by for the Tuesday tip video and watching what you need in a pickle. I mean, always come by the Percy hardware store. We have anything you can imagine. If the grocery store don't got it, we got it. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, and make sure you share this to your friends and family. I mean, why don't they want to watch us fool around and look at us all fools? Thank you guys for coming by today. Bye!
So yeah, hopefully you get some good ideas. Again, don't forget to share and comment down below. And we appreciate you taking the time to stop in. If it was afternoon or morning or night or evening, thanks for taking a couple of minutes to chat and, well, not chat because you can't talk back, but listen to me ramble on anyway. Thanks for doing that, and I hope you have a great week until we see you next Tuesday.